everything points into the direction of the vaccines being very protective.
A new study suggests the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines may protect for years against COVID-19 when both doses are completed, building the case that additional virus protection might not be needed.
I think it's encouraging that as a general rule, the general population may not need boosters going forward. In fact, I think we may have selective administration of boosters, for example, to older people or immunocompromised people who may be more likely to lose that response over time.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Christian Ramers at Family Health Centers of San Diego says this new study examined the cells which produce antibodies that fend off the virus.
We can make projections because these cells that were found in this particular study are very long-lasting cells. We can say, look, if we found them now, they're very highly likely to be around for a long time.
The study's researchers called the findings remarkable, but just a small number of people, 41 to be exact, were looked at.
One other thing that's really crucial here is not everybody's the same. So if we find in these 41 volunteers that there was a really good response, that doesn't mean that the whole population is going to have the same response.
The single-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine was not part of the study, but Ramers says it just adds mounting evidence of how effective the vaccines are, even in those rare cases where people who are vaccinated do get infected.
If you do get one of those breakthrough infections, it's highly likely to be much milder than it would have been otherwise.
The wild card here are the variants, but so far the vaccines seem to protect against all the ones we know of, even the more contagious Delta variant.
For whatever reason, we just got really lucky, I think, with how protective these vaccines are.
Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.